Hi, this is NSR signing in. I am going to demonstrate drone delivery system in simulated environment using Raspberry Pi and Copter running in SITL. So this is Mission Planner version 1.3.77 I am using, and the version of the SITL for Copter I'll be using is 4.2.2. Okay. I have opened up one Windows PowerShell. Now I will navigate to my SITL folder. I have done that. Okay, this is the command for running Copter SITL at a particular home location. Presently these lat long which you are seeing are my lat longs. I want my SITL copter to start at these lat longs. So the command is /copter.exe space home space latitude comma longitude in degree decimal without any space in between comma 0 here is altitude and 80 is the degree heading of the quadcopter, space dash model space quad, enter. Okay, now it is waiting for a connection on TCP IP port at port 5760. Right? Okay, here I have already selected TCP IP and just connect it. On the IP address just put localhost as single word, and on port you put 5760.
Calibrating barometer. Mode change to stabilize. Barometer 2 calibration complete.
Okay. Now I will open another Windows PowerShell to SSH into Raspberry Pi.
Unhealthy AHRS. Unhealthy AHRS.
Let me show you the Raspberry Pi. Okay.
Unhealthy AHRS.
This is the Raspberry Pi, and I am
unhealthy
using
AHRS.
I2S audio amplifier on Raspberry Pi. This is I2S 3 watt audio amplifier.
Unhealthy AHRS.
It is directly interfaced to the GPIOs, and it has quite a loud volume.
Unhealthy AHRS.
I could have used audio amplifier and given input from this audio jack, but that requires a shielded cable.
Unhealthy
and
AHRS.
I2S being a completely digital protocol doesn't require any kind of shielded cable input. This protocol was developed by
Unhealthy
Philips long back.
AHRS.
Okay, so let me just minimize this.
Unhealthy AHRS.
Okay, the IP address of my Raspberry Pi is 192.168.43.10. I know that.
Unhealthy AHRS.
I have connected the Raspberry Pi and my laptop to the same Wi-Fi hotspot, and the
Unhealthy
IP address
AHRS.
of my laptop is IP config. Okay, this 192.168.43.67 is the IP address of my laptop, and the IP address of Raspberry Pi
Unhealthy AHRS.
is 192.168.43.10. Okay, let us try to ping that.
Unhealthy AHRS.
Ping the rest verify dot
Unhealthy AHRS.
local. So great. So this
Unhealthy
is the IP address
AHRS.
of Raspberry Pi. So let me SSH into this.
Unhealthy AHRS.
Okay, SSH space pi at the rate 192.168.43.10.
Unhealthy AHRS.
Enter password.
Unhealthy AHRS.
Okay.
Unhealthy AHRS.
I will be using this file dds underscore
Unhealthy
skk
AHRS.
dot py to run. Okay, let me just clean the screen.
Unhealthy AHRS.
Okay, fine. So don't worry about this
Unhealthy
double
AHRS.
yeah. So
Unhealthy AHRS.
this is the command python 3 space dds underscore skk dot py space dash dash connect
Unhealthy
space
AHRS.
TCP colon IP address of my laptop 192.168.43.167 colon 5762 is a different TCP port which Raspberry Pi will be using to connect with SITL Copter. Okay,
Unhealthy AHRS. Mode changed to guided.
Okay,
Armed.
great. So the copter will is programmed
Unhealthy
to take off at
AHRS.
altitude 5 meters. Plus minus 1 meter can always be there, and it will navigate to this location and land there.
Unhealthy
Disarm
AHRS.
the motors and will wait there for a predefined time of 60 seconds, which can be changed. Then
Unhealthy
after this
AHRS.
time of waiting time, it
Mode
will
changed to land.
it will sound the alarm and announcement, so that customers should move away.
Unhealthy
It will then
AHRS.
arm and take off at same altitude and then navigate back to home location from where
Disarmed.
it took off initially at
Unhealthy
speed 5 meter per
AHRS.
second. Altitude and speed and this waiting time is configurable, totally configurable.
Unhealthy AHRS.
So it is just waiting there. Let me
Unhealthy
show you
AHRS.
what is there. Okay, Raspberry Pi is saying that touchdown will be
Unhealthy
waiting
AHRS.
for 1 minute at this delivery location. Please ask the customer to take the package and move away during this time.
Unhealthy AHRS.
It will soon start the alarm and announcement.
Unhealthy AHRS.
Please get aside. The drone is going to take off. Please get aside. The drone is going to take off.
Unhealthy
Please get aside.
AHRS.
The drone is going to take off.
Mode changed to guided. Armed. Unhealthy AHRS. Unhealthy AHRS. Unhealthy AHRS. Mode changed to land. Unhealthy AHRS. Disarmed. Mode changed to stabilize.
Okay.
Unhealthy
It has
AHRS.
disarmed. Mission accomplished. Okay, now I will try to show the same thing via VNC.
Unhealthy
Let me just
AHRS.
log out of Raspberry Pi. Exit. So I am
Unhealthy
out of-
AHRS.
I have logged out of Raspberry Pi, and Hadoop SITL is still
Unhealthy
running.
AHRS.
Okay, I will now VNC into Raspberry Pi. Okay,
Unhealthy
this is the
AHRS.
192.168.1.43.10 is the Raspberry Pi address. I am currently
Unhealthy AHRS.
trying to log in into. I can okay, great.
Unhealthy AHRS.
So here is the drone delivery system.
Unhealthy AHRS.
I will just double click this. Execute.
Unhealthy AHRS. Mode changed to guided.
Great.
Armed. Unhealthy AHRS. Unhealthy AHRS. Unhealthy AHRS. Mode changed to land. Unhealthy AHRS. Disarmed. Unhealthy AHRS.
It has started counting that waiting time, and after 60 seconds it will sound the alarm as was sounded earlier.
Unhealthy AHRS. Unhealthy AHRS. Unhealthy AHRS. Unhealthy AHRS.
Please get aside. The drone is going to
Unhealthy
take off.
AHRS.
Please get aside. The drone is going to take off.
Unhealthy
Please get
AHRS.
aside. The drone is going to take off.
Mode changed to guided. Armed. Unhealthy
This has already
AHRS.
been field tested in actual condition. I am just recording this video in the development
Unhealthy AHRS.
in the simulated environment.
Unhealthy AHRS. Mode changed to land. Unhealthy AHRS. Mode changed to stabilize. Disarmed.
Mission accomplished.
Unhealthy AHRS.
Okay, bye bye. Signing off.
Unhealthy AHRS.
has landed to delivery location. It will wait here for 1 minute. Let me pause the video because the video will get very lengthy if I do not pause it right here, and will take a lot of data while uploading.
Please get aside. The drone is going to take off. Please
Quite
get
loud.
aside. The drone is going to take off. Please
And
get aside.
my transmitter is off.
Take off.
I will switch it on if required in case of emergency. Let me see. Yes, it's going great. Transmitter is still off. It has landed successfully. Great.